how to start learning English speaking skill from the scratch, because I have done my whole education throughout Hindi medium school. And yes, actually I want to do job in a private sector, and there is necessity to learn this language, to speak in English, because I have to handle some clients. So for this I have to speak in English, but I don't know how to speak. Actually I have a knowledge about this language, but I don't know how to speak. I have not an English speaking environment. Should I join any English speaking class? Should I download any app? So yes, this is the question that I have received over my comment section. So I thought, why not create a video on this particular question? Because I know there are so many people, they are just trying to know how to start learning this language. It's a very difficult language. And yes, I am from Hindi medium school, so that's why I can't speak in English. Yes, these are some myths. In this video, I'm going to just share with you few points which will help you to speak in English fluently and confidently in front of the public. Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in this video I'm going to discuss with you few points which will help you to speak in English fluently and confidently in front of the public. Okay, so without any delay, let's get into the topic. Okay, question is that, ma'am, how to start learning English speaking skill? Think about, actually you have some knowledge about this language because you have read this language as a subject in a schooling time. So if you are saying, if you have said that, okay ma'am, I have done my whole education throughout Hindi medium school, so yes, medium is not a matter. Just think, just keep that in your mind. Okay, I am from a Hindi medium school, and if I can, then why you can't? Actually medium doesn't matter. The matter is motivation, the matter is desire. If you have motivation, if you really want to learn this language, then yes, you can easily learn this language. I know so many students, so many people, they have done their whole education throughout convent school, but even they they can't speak in English because they have not practiced in English. Okay, so yes, medium is doesn't matter. The matter is motivation, the matter is desire. Just keep that in your mind. Second thing is that a mindset. You need to just create your mindset. Okay, I can speak in English, I will learn this language. Even I need to indulge myself totally with this language, but yes, I will learn this language. So you need to just create this mindset in your mind. Okay, now next thing that you need to do, you need to just start English speaking from the day first. Don't wait. Okay, first I have to learn grammar rules, first I have to learn active passive, I have to learn modal verb. No, start English speaking with from the day first, because you have already know about the tenses, about the active passive, about everything. So what we need to do, we need to just start English speaking with the from the day first. Now the question is that, how to start English speaking from the day first? Start your English speaking with yourself. I mean to say, start your journey with yourself from the mornings. Think about whatever you did in your whole day, and just summarize all the thing in English. Okay, I wake up early in the morning around 5 a.m. Then I wash my face, I brush my teeth, I freshen up, and then I make my breakfast. I these types of thing that you need to just summarize. Okay, and describe your daily routine in English, describe your schooling time in English, describe your office time in English, everything. Whatever you go anywhere, just like you are going to market and you are seeing different thing, like you are seeing any poster and there is something written in English, you need to just think about in your mind. Okay, this is a sentence like, okay, Barbie doll. Okay, Barbie doll. And thus, if you think anything, just like I read somewhere like ambrosia. So I thought, what is the meaning of this word ambrosia? Okay, just like I read somewhere like Genux. So what is the meaning of Genux? Okay, so these are few things. You need to just indulge yourself totally in English. You need to observe everything in English whenever you go and park in a morning walk. So observe all the situation, all the surrounding that you are looking. Okay, some students are playing, some children are playing, and some old people are talking with each other along with sitting in a one place and talking with each other. some youth were, exercising. Okay, these are something that you need to just create some few sentence. Now the question is that how to create few sentence. Here I'm not going to say you, okay, you need to just start sentence structure in your mind. Actually we have done our this thing in our schooling time. So yes, here we need to just practice all the thing that you have read in your schooling time. Actually we know how to create sentence in English, but because of lack of practice, we have not speak out, because we have not practiced in with this language. So just try to speak out loud. Create, just here I'm going to give you an example. One sentence here I'm going to give you. Okay, I am a woman. I am a woman. So here 3 or 4 words I used for making this sentence. I am a woman. Now I'm going to create 5 or 6 sentence with this sentence. Like, okay, am I a woman? I am not a woman. So here you can find 3 sentence like question and negative and affirmative. Why am I a woman? मैं क्यों एक औरत हूँ? Who am I? मैं कौन हूँ? These are something that you need to start with yourself. Just if you see someone, okay, you are a good boy. Say you are a good boy. Try to create 5 or 6 sentence with the help of one sentence. Like, are you a good boy? You are not a good boy. Okay. Why are you a good boy? Okay. Who are you? What did you do? These are some few things that you need to just create with one sentence. Okay, believe me, this is I'm saying you and you are hearing and you think, oh, this is a very simple thing, but believe me, this simple thing will help you to enhance your English fluency. Okay, English is just like a language. We are just making this thing as a very it's a big deal, but it's not a big deal. It's very easy thing. We need to just handle this language as a language, not more than. If we are taking this language more than enough, this language, so yes, we will feel frustrated, we will feel inferiority. If we take this language as a language, so we can handle this language. Okay, so just keep that in your mind. Okay, next thing, suppose that you are in your office, you are in your house, so you are looking different objects around you. So think about all the objects name in English. Try to create few sentence in English. I have a dog, so I can say I have a dog. Now I'm going to give a few sentence about this with the help of this sentence. I have a dog. I have a Labrador. I have a funny dog. I have a comedian dog. I have a cute dog. I have a very funny dog. So here I am making a sentence with the help of one sentence, but in a different sentence I am adding some different adjective. So yes, in this way you can easily create few sentence. Just like I'm I'm going to give you example. Like, okay, okay, if children are weeping, so we can say children are weeping. If अगर कुत्ता रो रहा है तो हम कहेंगे डॉग इज वीपिंग. बकरी रो रही है तो बकरी इज गॉट इज वीपिंग. Okay, here my whatever I want to say, it is clear, but now I'm going to different this thing. Like, I'm going to give a correct answer. Like, childrens are crying. Childrens are crying. Dog is barking. Dog is barking. Goat is bleating. Okay, so these are something that I just create this thing with the help of one sentence. Okay, yes, it will come to you slowly when you immerse yourself totally with this language. So yes, these are few tips that I really wanted to share with you. You don't need to go anywhere for learning this language, and try to learn this language with yourself. Listen different content in English, read everything related with this language. Think all the thing that you are looking around you. Immerse yourself totally in English, and you can easily slowly gradually you can easily improve your English speaking skill, and with the time you can easily speak in English fluently and confidently. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, I will meet you, I will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.